In life, every aspect of your life, you see things whether it's positive or negative. Whether glass is full or glass is half. It's all depend on you. Same thing applies to the real estate. You see things in positive or negative. So I'm going to share 3 very, very important data today. Property Pulse with Aman Khan. One is definitely month of June data and all the breakdown of the month of June data. Number 2, I'm going to share what's going on since last January till this month, last month, June of 2026. Where is market heading to? And number 3, which is very, very important, guys, I gotta share historic data of last 13 years. From 2013 to almost 2025. So 13 years of data, and you can see by yourself where the market started and where is market now. And the 4th data is very important about the interest rate. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So let me just share the first information, first data of June 2026. It's amazing. It's great information for you. It's encouraging and it's very encouraging. The average data, the average sale price of June 2026 is almost 1,060,000. If you just compare from the last month, just 1% decrease, because it was keep going up. So after 5 months, it just decreased 1%. But if you just compare from the last year, it is still below, it's still lower than last year, 3.9%. So slowly the price is catching up. It's very important to know. The average is 1,060,000 and the total transaction happened 6,770 transactions. If you compare from the last month, it's gone up by 2.8%. And if you compare from the last year, 8.4%, which is great number, 8.4%. Like I said, it's catching up. Again, the detached house, the average price is 1,364,000. The number of transaction is 3,256 buying and selling happen. If you compare from the last month data, it's increased by 0.4%. So if you just compare from every year, things are catching up. Again, for the semi-detached, the price, average price is almost 1,039,000. And this total number of transactions happened 617 transactions. 1 point increase by monthly basis and almost 2.7% increase from the last year. And freehold townhouses, the average price is $912,000 and the total transaction happened 619 buying and selling. Again, if you check from the last month, the price appreciated by 9.4%. This is a huge number. This is a big number. And with a condo apartment, the average price is 630,000 and total transaction happened 1,714 transaction happened. And if you see the percentage wise, the 13.5% increase from the last year is a huge number, guys. The people, keep going and keep buying. The smart people are keep purchasing the condominium because this is the best market. It's an affordable market for the first-time home buyer or the investors. Guys, do not miss it. Now my second topic, people are asking what's going on in the market. Yeah, from January 2026 to June 2026, market is going amazing. It's great. It's a crazy market, Again, check the data. Okay, it's very important. Check all the numbers. Check all the data. How many transactions happen and what is the percentage wise, like the sales percentage wise and the price percentage wise increased Okay, it's very important to know. So sale-wise, if you just check the sale from the January, the sale was 3,094 transaction. And in June month, the transaction happened 6,770. So between January and June, you can see all the data on the screen. So almost 122% increase sales-wise. People are saying people aren't buying it, but look at the data. Data never lie. And same thing with the sales price is very, very important. The average, the sale price from the January till June is gone up by 10.67%. In the month of it's very important to know. In the month of January, the average price was $956,000, right? In the month of June, the average price is $1,058,000. So you can imagine, you can simply average out if anybody had purchased any property in the month of January, and now the price is gone by almost 10.67%. So I'm telling you, the smart buyers are buying it. Do not miss this opportunity. So now I'm going to share historic data of last 13 years. What was the average price in 2013? How many transactions happened in 2013? So let me just share the information with you, and you can also check on the screen. 2013, the total sales happened 92,767, and the average price was 525,681. Yes, I'm not kidding. You can check it out in the data. You can check it out in the screen. This is a real data, guys. And now you can see from 2013 and again in 2020 and 21 is something called COVID boom. During the COVID time, the market totally changed. What was the reason? Interest rate. What was the reason? Another reason. People started working from home. And what was the another reason? People thought, they're gonna be, still working from home for their whole life. People started moving from the small house to the bigger house, from the downtown to the suburb. That's why the whole market got changed. And look at the market, and very especially you check all the data. 2013, check those data, then check the data in 2020. Between 2020 and 2022, the markets really happened. It was crazy, price got up, and that was not realistic price. That was the increase was not very realistic, by the way. So almost 30-40%, right? So if you just see today, the market got a little bit slow down. The prices are not going up, or if it's coming down, this is all correction happening. Okay. So look at this price now for 2022, 2023, 2024. Now last year was 2025. The last data was how many transactions happened? 62,316 transactions happened total. And the average price, 1,067,000. So just compare from 2013 and 2025. Is the price gone up by 103%? 103%. And look at the transaction wise. Yeah, transaction wise it came down. The reason was all the incentive you saw between the 2020 and 2022 is all disappear now after COVID, right? So now this is a realistic market now. Again, the real estate, when you buy real estate, you have to wait and see. You cannot become a millionaire in within overnight. So just keep in mind, guys, the real estate market is a very steady market. You have to wait for the prices. You have to wait for the true fruits, the sweet fruits. So last but not least, last 6 consecutive meetings with the federal bank, Canadian federal banks, and the market, the interest rate is still unchanged. They are not increasing the interest rate. What does that mean? The meaning is that currently the market has been stable. There's more confidence in the market, and buyers are started buying it, and more stability. And for the buyers, the existing buyers, their payment is not going up, right? So it's giving more confidence to the buyers, and plus the new buyers are coming in the market. One thing is very important. In GTA market, it's very difficult to find the balanced market. Just because of this interest rate unchanged last 6 consecutive months, the market has become a balanced market. The balanced market means is a very healthy market. Nobody can take the advantage of anybody. It's a buyer can negotiate and the seller also can negotiate, and they can get a good price. So it's very important to take the advantage of this great balanced market. One thing is very important. The data I have shared today is a very rare data. Like, people always ask about what's going on in the market. So I showed you January to June market data, which is rare. People don't get to know about it. And same thing, another information I shared, which is very, very important and very historic data from 2013 till now. This is rare data. It's very important that you educate yourself and please share this information with friends and family so they can also make a decision, right? If you like my video, make sure that you subscribe and make sure you share this video with your friends and family so they can also get the benefit out of it. Thank you. Have a good one.